we are in western Sardinia, west island off of Italy. Some really perfect roads around here. Kind of taking it easy today. We've been riding hard for 5 or 6 days with beaches, motorcycle adventures. I've been helping some folks a little bit with their riding. Everybody's doing really well. Just some fine tuning, including trail braking. So now I'm in second gear, so I don't need to do a lot of braking. These BMW 1250s have a lot of back compression, so engine braking is fairly strong. But if I go up into third and stay in third gear, then I have to use the brakes more, which for training is great, you know, and you want to learn to be able to be good at your brakes. So third gear was a little bit high for that, but the lines I'm taking are setting me up for the corner. I'm delaying my apexes till they're around the corner. That's an important aspect of riding safely here. Getting tight to the guardrail sets you up for the switchback, but not leaning into the oncoming lane for those left-hand turns. So you stay wide until you can see there's nobody coming, and then you can go ahead and move in. Of course, always enjoying the view as we go. This bike, the shift assist is a little clunky, so I've been using the clutch to upshift. So here I'll stay in third gear, I'll use my brakes. And counter steering, being real smooth, pushing and pulling. Brakes, being real smooth with the throttle. I'm actually on the throttle slightly before I release the brakes fully. And also a technique that I use on these really tight turns is release the front brake when I'm slowed enough, but then hang on to the rear brake a little bit longer to help finish the turn. By finish, I mean it helps it just to control the speed and the direction of travel. So again, like right here, nobody's coming, I can trim in. Trail braking, I'm off the front brake, now I'm off the rear brake, on the gas. Looking at the back side of the guardrail to give myself an early idea of just how tight the corner is. Get nice and close to that guardrail. Stay over there to switch back to the left-hand turn. Nice and relaxed. Even when we're going fast, it still has to be relaxed. Everything just happens a little quicker. This is all descending, so this is all downhill, which is why the brakes are being used much more than when we were ascending, where gravity will slow me down plenty. So even though the engine braking is doing a fair amount of slowing, I'm still using those brakes to control my path of travel. Stay in third gear for this, but I think I'm going to go into second. These little tight turn, left-hand turns, hairpins,